Guys, welcome back to another RC Bros videos. So we haven't posted in a long time, so we wanted to get this video posted really soon. So what we're going to be doing today is something a little bit different. Well, not different, but something we haven't really done before. But we're going to do something that involves RC cars. We're going to be taking my car, and Bronson is going to be driving it, and we are going to drive it over some massive jumps and see if Bronson can land it. So leave a like down below for Bronson. Subscribe, turn on notifications so that you'll never miss another epic video like this one. All right. As Bronson is cleaning his RC car. So this is the, if you don't know, this is the Traxxas / brushless edition. And we might be using the Traxxas two-wheel drive Stampede. I will leave a link to both these models in the link in the description. So yeah, we might not use this one, but hopefully we'll get there. All right, guys. So we are outside. The audio might not be the best because it is windy and it's also raining. So just please bear with us. Yeah, so Bronson's getting his car ready, and we'll be at the field with the jump in a few minutes. Guys, Bronson's taking it around. Taking his car around for a little spin. Getting everything trimmed out. All right, guys. Bronson, you ready? Yep. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh! Let's get an instant replay of that, please. Take number 2, you ready? Oh yeah, that was pretty good. You landed it. Pretty good. All right. Lining it up. So we back up here. All right, let's line it up.
Maybe we could not do jump. Maybe I could like go down that hill or something. But
Sure. We'll just do a compilation. We'll do one more jump, and then Bronson will show you what this truck is capable of. Oh! Did you guys see that?
by the way, this cab is from the Slash. It's not the truck that we're actually using is the Raptor.
Yeah, the Traxxas Raptor. All right, guys, we're gonna show you some clips of how fast it can go. So they say it can go 35 miles an hour. Well, let's see this. That is so fast. Boy! Oh! And what do you think about taking this to the park?
I think it's
all right, we can try it. All right, guys, we are in the park. There's a bunch of dirt in here.
Oh, I know.
What do you want to do?
Let's go over here.
In the puddle.
Oh!
Do that again.
Let's go again. Move back.
Bronson, no, go all the way down there and then come super fast into the puddle. All right, Bronson, you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Oh, jeez.
So this thing is actually a rock climber. Bronson, we have some rocks over here. We should show them. We should show them how good this is at climbing rocks.
I'm not sure if it's any good at all. I just want to try.
We're going to test how good this will drive on rocks. They did say it was a rock climber, so Bronson hit it. Oh, I just stepped in a puddle. So that's not good at rock climbing at all.
Yeah, I think it is. I think they meant like closer together.
Yeah, I think they meant, yeah. So, yeah, Bronson, is there anything else you want to show our audience? Where the heck are you? Oh, there you are. Going super fast in the grass. Show them how fast it can go. Top speed. Yeah, it goes way slower in the grass. Oh, are we okay? Oh, jeez.
I didn't know that I was lined up right for the rock.
Guys, thanks for watching. Apologies, this was supposed to be jumping Traxxas cars off a humongous jump, and then it turned into vlogging with the Traxxas Slash. Apologies for that. If you did like this video though, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on notifications so that you won't miss any more of this epic content. Alright, these are the RC Bros out.